Hello, this is Michael Wittig, and I just received my weekly box of healthy meals from Nutrition Solutions, and I wanted to share this unboxing experience with you. First of all, I'm 46 years old. I'm a father of 4, extremely busy with family and business, and Nutrition Solutions just makes it easy. Cuts out the shopping, the cooking, and all the guesswork, and I'm in the best absolute shape of my life at 46 years old and 100% naturally. So let's open this up, and then I'll show you what's inside. Okay, we have a bunch of goodness here. Now I eat Nutrition Solutions for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I've cut down to this shape using entirely their food only. Not counting macros, just eating food and drinking water. So first of all, we have the breakfast options, including the protein bars. This week it's the Brownie Blast, and they come in a different flavor each week. These are amazing. Fruity Pebs. Now you can't see what this is, but it's actually a waffle, and they are so good. They have waffles and pancakes, and then the protein bar. So I'll have one of these for breakfast, maybe with some eggs. One of my personal favorites, the protein donuts, the clean cheats. Now this is the Reese's. It's probably hard to see in the plastic, but it's chocolate with peanut butter chips on it, and they're amazing. I have one of these every single day while cutting down to this shape, sometimes 2, without fail, every day. Now let's get to the good stuff, the meals. They change out each week, and this week we have some really good stuff. Pesto pasta. Now they only use antibiotic and hormone-free chicken and poultry. This is delicious. We got some mango habanero beef here, which has a great flavor, and they only use grass-fed beef, which is awesome. Ooh, this is a good one. Brown sugar bourbon filet mignon. High-end restaurant quality. Now they use superfoods like filet, they have elk, bison, venison. Just so healthy for you, and it tastes so good and nice and lean with very high protein. Ooh, one of my favorites, chicken enchilada, and it has 100% whole wheat wraps, and my family loves these. The kids, everybody. Pomegranate glazed meatballs made with turkey, again antibiotic-free, hormone-free. They're not only healthy, they're just good for you. And I think that's what we have this week. This stuff is amazing, guys. And again, it just makes life easy. You don't have to think about it, and you can get in the best shape of your life. The best investment you can make is in yourself. I strongly recommend Nutrition Solutions.